Today I'm trying the INIA Flare device, and here we go. I'm nervous. You can see how it's making my eye twitch a little bit. I don't know if I'm crazy, but I already feel like I notice a difference. I feel like people go to professional clinics and spend thousands of dollars getting that done, but I can't believe that I just did that at home. Okay, tell me I'm not the only one that's noticed that as I get closer to 40, my skin isn't quite bouncing back like it used to. Between kids and work, I just find that I'm starting to notice major signs of aging, wrinkles, dullness, but as a commercial model and someone who doesn't get Botox or filler, I'm always looking for ways to get a youthful, glowy, fresh appearance without breaking the bank and without eating up a lot of my time. And I keep hearing about these at-home microcurrent devices that are supposed to lift and tighten, like a natural facelift without the needles or the price tag. So I thought to myself, let me do a video and see if this actually works. Today I'm trying the INIA Flare device. It's a 3-in-1 beauty device that promises to lift, tighten, and infuse your skincare even deeper. I'll show you exactly how it works, how I fit it into my routine, if it's quick, and if it's worth it for busy moms. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Angelin coming at you with another review video. I love testing all different types of skincare products and devices to see if it's worth the money. These days it's so hard on social media to know what's real, what's AI, what's a scam. So I'm here to take out all the guesswork and to let you know if these products or devices are worth it. I got the black device and it's kind of got some gold accents on it. I know it comes in other colors, but I love the black. I think it looks really sleek and something that you'd find in a professional clinic. This is the first time I've ever tried any product like this. I'm a little bit nervous. It combines microcurrent, red light, and high frequency technology, which sounds super technical to me, but basically it's helping lift and tighten your skin. It also helps your skincare absorb a little bit deeper, which is what I need as someone that has very, very dry skin, especially headed into the winter months. So if you're someone who has noticed a loss of firmness like me, or you're going for that sculpted look, then this is what this device is supposed to target. What I love is this has 3 different modes. So there's the lift mode, which is actually supposed to kind of sculpt and lift your face like a at-home facelift. We have the tighten mode, which is what's going to target those fine lines and the loss of firmness. And the one I'm most excited about is actually the infuse mode. And this mode is what's going to help my skincare penetrate a little bit deeper, which is exactly what I want as we head into the colder winter months. You guys know I have really dry skin. There's also 3 different levels of intensity. And I'm going to start on the first level because, again, I've never used this device before. I think starting on level 1 makes sense. And then using this several times a week, I think I'll be able to work up to a level 2 and a level 3. Okay, so I'm gonna start with freshly washed face, no sunscreen, no makeup. All right, let me get this makeup off. What I love about this device is that it came with very thorough instructions and also a QR code to watch some videos online. So if you're a complete beginner like I am, you have a lot of support and instructions to guide you through. Always want to be using a conductive gel or some type of serum or essence so that your skin stays moist the whole time. And this will just help the device glide and conduct properly. So I'm just starting with one side. I'm going to stick with tighten because that is my main concern. So I'm going to turn the device on to tighten, and I definitely want to stick with level 1. You can see it there. And here we go. I'm nervous. Feels like microcurrents going through my skin. You can see how it's making my eye twitch a little bit. It doesn't hurt at all, but I can definitely see it working. Always in an upward motion, never downward. I can feel all my muscles twitching from the electrical stimulation. I don't know if I'm crazy, but I already feel like I notice a difference. Now the device actually just beeped because it's telling me that it's done with this one area and I can move to the other side. Now I'm going to wash off all of the gel, and then I'm going to go in with my serum and use the infuse to really get the serum to penetrate deeper. So no downtime, feeling really good. I'm going to go in with some of my serum. Going to clean off the head of the device. I am switching now to the infuse mode to get this to penetrate a little bit deeper. just letting the device push the serum deeper into my skin. My first time using a microcurrent device, I can't believe that you can get that intense of a current from an at-home device. I feel like people go to professional clinics and spend thousands of dollars getting that done, but I can't believe that I just did that at home. So if you wanted to do the lift mode to get the more sculpted face, it'll take about 10 minutes total. If you wanted to do the tighten, like I did, it takes 10 minutes, and then you can finish it off with the infuse, which I highly recommend. And that was just 4 minutes. I didn't have to drive to a clinic. I didn't have to spend a lot of money. I'm good to go. I'm gonna use that tighten mode about 3 to 4 times a week, and then a couple of rest days to give my face muscles a break. Overall, I'm feeling really good. Feels like I just gave myself a mini spa treatment. So for me as a busy mom that's on a budget, this is really easy to fit into my routine, which you guys know I love. I need something that's easy and quick, or something I can do while watching Netflix after my kids go to bed. Love that it's practical and budget friendly. If you want to give it a try, you can head right over to the INIA website and use the code Angelin20 for $20 off your device. I'll put all the information in the description box below. You guys always ask me on Instagram, on YouTube about my skincare routine as someone who's almost 39 without any Botox or filler, what I do to make my skin look youthful. I always love sharing new products with you, new devices. I can confirm that this device is not a scam, so if you are seeing it on your TikTok or on your Instagram of women using it and their eyes twitching, their lips twitching, then I'm telling you now it is a legit product, and I think it is worth the money. Don't forget to subscribe to follow along for more content like this. I hope you all have a great day, and bye for now.